What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Tip on the Block. Welcome. So you guys, as I stated in my last video, you guys, I am trying to be more consistent with my YouTube channel. Most of the time I'm on my other social media such as TikTok. My name is Tip on the Block. I'm on Instagram a lot under Tip on the Block, or I'm under my Facebook. But I'm trying to be more consistent with YouTube. So thank you guys for your patience. Those of you that have been with me since the beginning, thank you for your continual support. So yeah, you guys, let's jump into this. So in this video, we're gonna talk about locks. Y'all, look at my locks here. They are growing, they are blossoming. I am truly thankful to God that I was patient enough to wait, because several times I felt like giving up on this journey, but I am still here. So you guys, I have some notes. Let me just get to my notes so I can make sure I stay on task. So yes, first things first, I've been locked since October 15th of 2022. So that will make 1 year, 9 months, and 9 days that I have been locked. And it has been a beautiful journey. The next thing on my list is I'm going to show you guys a picture of when I first started my locks, either here or here. And just look at the difference. Look at the difference. Like when I first started, I looked like Pee Wee Herman. I don't know. But look at me now, you guys. Locks are all basically neck length and they are growing. So the next thing on my list is the products that I use. So when I first started locked, you know, you try to look at videos and you try to see, okay, what is this girl using, or what does this guy use? I want to try that. I want to try that. And it has taken me some time to really kind of minimize and just kind of stick to stuff that works for me. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the products that I use for my locks. Okay. So the number one thing is the product. It will be this water bottle. So if you have locks, you have to make sure you keep your locks hydrated. So I purchased this water bottle from Amazon. It's beautiful. It's like that continuous water spray. So yes, I use this. Let me try to spray it a little bit. You see it? So the mist just comes in and it really moisturizes my locks. So just make sure you invest in a good water bottle for your locks. So that's the one thing I use. Next, if I just feel kind of like good, I may try to retwist my own locks, but I only do the front. Like I do like the first 2 rows of the front, that's it. So the clamps that I use are the Red by Kiss 80-piece clamps. So I use these to retwist my front. And like I said, I don't do the whole thing. I just do like the first 2 rows. So also for, like I stated, as you guys can see, my ends are kind of curly. So I love curly ends. That's just something that I love. So in order to keep my ends curly, sometimes I have to re-comb the ends that I got off of Amazon. And every now and then I will do something cute with my edges. So this is just a regular edge brush that you can get from any 99-cent store, any beauty supply store, they will have this, okay? Now, when I moisturize my hair and hydrate my locks, and I hydrate my ends to get them curly again, I go in with Eco Styler gel to kind of lock in the lock. All I need to do is rehydrate the ends with water and like kind of comb it out a little bit. Some I don't need to, and then I just kind of twirl and then the curl is there. So, but if you want to like to do this where the lock will stay, definitely invest in like a little Eco Styler gel. Next thing, these 2 products are new products that I absolutely love. Like no cap, like I spent my own money for these products. I didn't even know they existed. I heard about it just recently, but again, I never really looked into it for myself. I love these products. So these products are by MFL or Made for Locks. If you all are watching, your sister could use some products if you just want to be generous. But these products are by MFL and it stands for Made for Locks. So the first product that I use is just a lock refresher spray. So sometimes if I don't want to just use regular water and I want to use something that got a little umph in it. Now this nourishes, hydrates, reduces frizz, moisturizes, and nourishes locks. And this is just rose water and wheat protein. So I use this also to add moisture and hydration to my locks. Okay, smells good, and just use it to spray. 1, 2, 1, 2, there we go. And this is the most important thing that I absolutely love, and I will explain in a second, is the Locks oil spray. Now, I'm used to using like oil. I put it in a little applicator bottle and I apply it to my scalp. Y'all, 2 minutes later, I feel like I'm drenched in sweat because all of that oil just goes rolling down my neck, rolling down my back, rolling down my forehead. Even with me doing this to put the oil in the scalp, it just doesn't work. This is a lifesaver. It smells so good. It leaves your locks super soft, super hydrated, super moisturized. It has pineapple in here. It's vegan hair nourishing oil. So I love it because I don't have to worry about oils rolling down in my face. So all you do, you see this? Grab your lock and you spray. You see how easy that is? Oh my gosh, y'all, and it smells so good. I just did this morning, so I'm not trying to waste it and spray a lot. But yeah, this is my lifesaver, y'all. Like, I would never go back to, I don't want to say never, but I'm like 90% sure I'm not going back to grease or oil. I will keep it at this spray because I don't have to worry about the oils running down my face, especially in the heat, y'all. Everything is melting. So this is I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I like to do my edges, and this is the edge control that I use. This is by Shea Moisture, the coconut hibiscus and flaxseed edge gel. So this has always done wonders, you guys. That's all I use it for, and as you can see, I've used a lot of it, a lot. But yeah, you guys, so as far as products, that's it. I don't use any other products. Again, like I stated, I try to keep my products very, very, very small. Like, I got locks, so I don't need a whole lot. As far as shampoo and conditioners, I mean, really, I didn't really show you guys because it's just really anything that you have, anything that adds moisture to the hair. Sometimes I use a clarifying shampoo if I know I put a lot of product in my hair, but that's rare that I have to do that. So just really any shampoo, you guys, go with it, okay? So that's the products. Also, if you would like to have a video of how I keep my lock ends curly, comment down below and I will go through a step-by-step process of how I do that. Super easy. So just let me know. And yeah, we're basically at the end of the video, you guys, and I just wanted to leave you all with words of encouragement to those that are wanting to start locks but they don't know, or those that have just started locks and they're in that oh my gosh phase. These are just a few words of encouragement. So number one, be patient. Be patient. I know we live in a fast-paced society where we like everything like this. You know, we don't want to wait, but be patient. I mean, I definitely went through that phase when I first started my locks. Like, okay, yo, I cannot do this. I'm looking like a boy. I don't like this. And I would wear wigs and things like that to kind of cover it up, which is fine. You know, if you don't like the phase that you're in, be strong. Get wigs. You can put braids over your locks. Do whatever you got to do, but just be patient. I'm telling you, your locks will blossom and you will be grateful that you were patient, okay? The next word of encouragement is just make sure you keep your locks hydrated and moisturized. Like, you have to do that because if you don't do that, the process will be a lot harder. Your locks will be hard and just looking like yuck. And you don't want to do that. You want your locks to look beautiful and presentable. So just make sure you do whatever you need to do to take care of your locks. Drink lots of water too. But yeah, just keep them hydrated and moisturized. The next thing is don't retwist too often. So I retwist my locks every 10 to 12 weeks. Because I don't want thin locks. I love luscious, thick locks. And if you retwist them too often, they're gonna look very thin and skinny. I don't like that. I like thick, luscious locks. So don't retwist too often. Now, again, every now and then, if you wanna do a little maintenance to the front 2 rows or whatever, you know, you can do it yourself or go get it done. I go to Napstar, as you guys know in several videos that I've done. Napstar is located in New York. And I love going there to get my locks done. And then lastly, don't compare yourself with others. I did do that in the beginning. Oh my gosh, her locks are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, my locks looks crazy. Oh my gosh, I want my locks. No, stay in your lane. This is your journey, not someone else's journey, okay? The journey that you're on with your locks is basically, it's beautiful to you. So just, you know, hold on to that. Like that, their journey is their journey. You know, just be you. You know, love your own locks, love on your own self. Don't compare yourself to others because they're not you and you're not them. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Ladies, gentlemen, if you have any questions on locks, let me know down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer your questions. Thank you again for your support. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys and I'll talk to you later. Bye.